We need to get to the markets overall and somebody who's got real money in them, and that would be Hank Smith of Haverford, $6.5 billion. I'm calling you the $6 billion man, Hank. I need to, as we watch these markets, it is the first sell-off out of 5 sessions. You get to me right away and tell me the biggest mistake that investor viewers should not be making in the wake of what happened in the UK, and that is the Brexit vote.
2 mistakes: getting overly defensive, and that means keeping money in cash or parking money in fixed income, which is sovereign debt is the most overvalued asset class there is today. And
okay, let's just clarify that, Hank. You're talking about treasuries, right?
That's correct.
So don't park it in treasuries right now.
Don't park it in treasuries yielding 1.3, 1.4% when you can double that income, double that yield in high-quality blue-chip stocks and get growth of income, which you can't get with fixed income.
What stuns me, Hank, because it's been a rough road for the financials, is that you have continued to say buy into the financials. In fact, I was looking at the KBW, the banking index, down about 12% year to date. Last time you were on in May, you still recommended the financials. Is it sort of with a gigantic asterisk that says, well, there's some decent dividends here, like at JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, but you've just got to put on the seatbelt and hold on tight?
Well, yes. Look, we're talking about the 2 highest quality banks in the United States, if not in the world, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, with 3% plus dividends, very low valuations, about 10 times earnings here, compared to some of the other defensive stocks that were mentioned a little bit earlier, which you really have to pay up for 20 times earnings for some of those consumer staple stocks. And I don't think we're going into a recession. True, interest rates are going to remain low for a longer period of time, but I don't think we're going into a recession anytime soon. So these look like very attractive values to us. Okay,
I'm glad you said that. And as we have about 20 seconds left, do you think that people should be doing some stock picking this summer, even though the volume's thin?
Absolutely, and use every sell-off as a buying opportunity, just like that has been a great call throughout this bull market.
All right.